thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Reidsville to near Ellisboro, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Burlington, Graham, Hillsborough, Mebane, Elon, McLeansville, Summerfield, Gibsonville, and Stokesdale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 85 between mile markers 127 and 131. Interstate 40 between mile markers 132 and 161, and between mile markers 217 and 226. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Guilford, and Orange. Here is the latest national weather.